Example 1. Option A. What is the threshold frequency of a metal with a work function of 2.1 electron volt? And now we need to calculate the work function of the metal if the threshold frequency is 4 into 10 power 14 Hz and threshold wavelength is 400 nanometer. So let us calculate first threshold frequency in the first case. So in the question it is given work function of the metal is given 2.1 electron volt. We need to calculate threshold frequency. So let me do it for the first one. So work function is equal to h nu naught. So work function is 2.1 electron volt. Electron means 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 is equal to h is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into nu naught. So the threshold frequency in the first case we get 0.5 into 10 power minus 15, which is equal to 5 into 10 power 14 Hertz. And the second one, we need to calculate work function if the threshold frequency is given as 4 into 10 power 14 Hertz. The same work function is equal to h nu naught, which is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 4 into 10 power 14. So what we get, which is 26.4 into 10 power minus 20. So let us express this in terms of electron volt. So I will divide with 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So we will get in terms of electron volt. So what we get, 16.5 into 10 power minus 1 electron volt or 1.65 electron volt. So this is the work function if the threshold frequency is 4 into 10 power 14 Hz. And third one, we need to calculate what is the work function if threshold wavelength is given as 400 nanometers, means 4 into 10 power minus 7 meters. So in that case, work function is equal to hc by lambda naught. So work function can be expressed as hc is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 by lambda naught is nothing but 4 into 10 power minus 7. So let us express in terms of electron volt. So I'll divide with 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So I'll get the answer in terms of electron volt. So by solving it, work function value we get it as 3.1 electron volt.